Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Good morning to you all. Honorable Deputy Chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, my colleagues, Honorable Executive Members in Charge Education, all executive members present here, Honorable MECs, Principal Secretary, Joint Secretary, all officers and council staff, and my dear friends and ladies and gentlemen. Pinige la pli LA consensia tumpan DPO tumpan se pinige Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Education Department Richard Tokbiahin bensi lake nilia pingkaratik bensi gari hum pinangi pulo mon humpli banelo lapen ke high school tina fan kapelang nabjia fan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kebang jia budget along school inspector pandame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen ihum pipon se iltum Karbi Anglong education na hinabang pan kapaprang pegja pan iltum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen body pon mono quality education kebang jia pan puthak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Richard Tokbiahin pen claim pon bomlo lapen ke penans student organization pen jenglok penana organization tu malanglong cooperation dulu nasi prang ke bang jangan jike Karbi Anglong Education Department state along kon ma ka prang lason dak taksi Karbi Anglong pen dame bes Karbi Anglong laso education na quality education ke ban japan itum boli pon bomlo asikato ka be ham phanga song ke doan lapen ke dak council staff atum education department menta nang cerap itu dunang pun. Lastly, I would like to request all education department officers and staff and specialist student organization. I would like to request unitedly we want to establish quality education in Karbi Anglong. Thank you to all. Conclude my speech.
West Karbi Anglong. Also, one bolero for Difu subdivision or division.